Hello everyone, welcome back to Line Road. My name is Tejasvini and today I'm going to be talking to you guys about how to achieve fuller lips. Big juicy lips are always on trend, always in season, and we all want them. With just a few products and a few simple tricks, you will easily be able to make your lips look a lot fuller. Before starting any lip makeup, I like to generously apply lots of lip balm. And then I like to take a baby toothbrush and just scrub it around the lips to remove any dead skin or flaky dryness. This also improves the blood circulation in the lips and makes them look fuller and just a lot more plump. Before you start applying lip liner, just remove the excess lip balm from the lips. Otherwise, the lip liner will just slip and slide over the lips. To contour the lips, I like to first create a cross here at the Cupid's bow. Once you have created this cross at the Cupid's bow, start following the natural lip line. Keep your lower lip stretched and just follow the natural lip line. If you plan to overline your lips, it is better to overline them closer to the Cupid's bow and in this area. Make sure that you are well within the natural lip line when you reach the corners of the mouth. I also like to fill into the lips with the lip liner. It gives the lipstick something to stick onto and makes your lipstick last a lot longer. I will be filling the lips in with this gorgeous red from Sugar. And I recommend that you use a lip brush for a proper and precise application. And I'm filling the lips with this color. Using a brush will ensure that you don't go out of the lines that you have carefully created. After you filled in the lip color, you can take some highlighter on a small brush and just apply it to the Cupid's bow of the lip. If you like to keep your lips matte, you could totally stop here, or you could add some more oomph with a little more gloss or shine. Instead of adding gloss, I will be adding a liquid highlighter. This is from Makeup Revolution and it's in the shade Liquid Champagne. I've just taken a little drop of it on the back of my hand. I'm just patting it on the center of her lip to give it a more dimensional look. To finish off and clean out the lips, I'm just taking a little bit of foundation on my brush and just making the edges look neater. You can use a foundation or a concealer. So I hope that was easy to follow and that you're able to replicate these tricks to achieve fuller looking lips. A lot of great lip products are available at amazing discounts on LimeRoad, so be sure to check them out. If you have any future video requests for me, please leave them in the comment section below. So I can't wait to talk to you guys again soon. Bye!